Hey everyone, welcome to Fit Lifestyle. Let's face it, we've all been there. Frustrated with diets that promise the world but leave us feeling defeated. The endless cycle of cutting carbs, restricting calories, only to end up right back where we started. Instead of quick fixes and unsustainable restrictions, we need to shift our mindset to building a lifestyle that supports long-term success. In this video, we're diving deep into the top reasons why diets fail, and most importantly, how to fix them. Get ready to understand your relationship with food, manage emotional eating, and create a plan that works for you, not against you. One of the biggest reasons diets bite the dust is because they set us up for failure from the get-go. How many times have you started a diet that demanded you cut out entire food groups or slash your calorie intake to a point that leaves you feeling constantly hungry and deprived? These extreme measures are simply not sustainable in the long run. Our bodies are incredibly complex, and they need a variety of nutrients to thrive. When we deprive ourselves of these essential building blocks, we send our bodies into survival mode, slowing down our metabolism and making it even harder to lose weight. Not only that, but these restrictive diets often lead to nutrient deficiencies, mood swings, and intense cravings, ultimately setting us up for a vicious cycle of yo-yo dieting. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is about balance, not deprivation. Instead of aiming for perfection, let's focus on making small, sustainable changes that we can stick to for the long haul. It's about finding what works for you, your body, and your lifestyle. Real change takes time, consistency, and a whole lot of self-love. Let's shift our focus from restriction to nourishment and create a sustainable approach to eating that supports our physical and mental health. Let's talk about sustainability, the cornerstone of any successful health journey. Crash diets, those quick-fix solutions that promise rapid weight loss, might seem tempting, but they're often the very reason we end up feeling defeated and discouraged. Why? Because they're simply not built to last. Imagine this, you're on a restrictive diet, white-knuckling your way through each day, dreaming of the moment you can finally indulge in your favorite foods again. This kind of restrictive mindset creates an unhealthy relationship with food, where we label certain foods as good or bad, and view eating as a chore rather than a source of nourishment and enjoyment. Instead of falling into the trap of short-term fixes, let's shift our focus to creating a lifestyle that supports our health and well-being for the long haul. It's about finding joy in nourishing our bodies with whole, unprocessed foods, moving our bodies in ways that feel good, and prioritizing our mental and emotional well-being. Sustainability isn't about being perfect, it's about finding a balance that you can maintain consistently. Celebrate every small victory along the way, and know that you're creating a healthier, happier you one step at a time. Chapter 3, Keep it simple. Nutrition doesn't have to be complicated. Let's debunk a common myth that often trips people up on their health journeys. Nutrition has to be complicated. We've been bombarded with information about macronutrients, superfoods, and the latest dietary trends, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and confused. But here's the truth. Eating healthy doesn't require a PhD in nutrition. Instead of getting bogged down by complicated meal plans and calorie calculations, let's shift our focus to the basics. Our bodies thrive on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-rich foods provide our bodies with the essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants they need to function optimally. Think of your plate as a canvas, and aim to fill it with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, lean protein sources, and complex carbohydrates. Another key to simplifying nutrition is to listen to your body's natural hunger and fullness cues. Focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods, listen to your body's cues, and allow yourself to enjoy your favorite treats in moderation. Chapter 4, Beyond the Plate, Addressing Emotional Eating. Let's talk about a topic that's often overlooked when it comes to health and weight management: emotional eating. We've all been there, reaching for a bag of chips after a stressful day, or indulging in a pint of ice cream when we're feeling down. Emotional eating is a common coping mechanism, but it's important to understand the root cause of these cravings so we can develop healthier ways to manage our emotions. When we eat in response to stress, boredom, or sadness, we're not addressing the underlying emotional need. Instead, we're using food as a temporary band-aid, which can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, and ultimately, a vicious cycle of emotional eating. The first step to overcoming emotional eating is to identify your triggers. What situations, emotions, or people tend to send you running for comfort food? Once you've pinpointed your triggers, you can start to develop healthier coping mechanisms. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips, Try going for a walk, calling a friend, or engaging in a hobby that brings you joy. Chapter 5. Your Roadmap to Success. Actionable Tips for Lasting Change. Now that we've uncovered the common pitfalls of dieting and explored the importance of sustainability, simple nutrition, and emotional awareness, let's dive into some actionable tips to set you up for success on your health journey. First and foremost, remember that progress, not perfection, is the name of the game. Don't get caught up in the all-or-nothing mentality that often leads to setbacks and discouragement. Celebrate every small victory along the way, whether it's choosing a healthy meal over takeout or incorporating a 20-minute walk into your day. Next, prioritize balanced meals that incorporate protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. Protein helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, while healthy fats support hormone production and nutrient absorption. Carbohydrates provide your body with the energy it needs to power through your day. Practice mindful eating, slow down, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Remember, it's all about balance. Outro: embrace the journey to a healthier, happier you. As we wrap up, remember that the journey to a healthier, happier you is an ongoing process, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, challenges and triumphs along the way. Be kind to yourself, embrace the journey, and never give up on your goals. Start small, stay consistent, and make gradual changes that you can stick to for the long haul. Focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods. Move your body in ways that feel good, and prioritize your mental and emotional well-being. You've got this. Now go out there and create a healthier, happier you, one step at a time. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on living your best life.